step into the Dodge 2020 Durango SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVT-UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, quick order package 2BA SXT included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVT-UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, third row seating group included, second row 60/40 fold and tumble seat, third row remote headrest dumping, third row seat 7-passenger seating, black cloth low back bucket seats, granite clear coat, manufacturer's statement of origin, Sirius satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112 and front license plate bracket. This